Yana from Craftful said someone should build a MyFitnessPal with AI. I think we can do it in less than a minute. Let's go. Go to this site and create an account. Click create and name your application. Then I type in my instructions. I just give it a few simple tips like your job's to talk short sentences. And I took this line exactly from MyFitnessPal. And then I give instructions for each step. If they want to track food, ask them to describe it or upload a picture. Then we test it on the right-hand side. Here we go. We're going to track food. And then it asks me to upload an image. I just have a water on my desk, so I upload that, finds the exact brand, nutritional details, and asks me for additional tips. Now, if I want to build a business on this, I can do it in two ways. I just click share, and here is the link I can copy and give to people, and I could charge for people, or I could embed it on my website. This site also helps us sell it, so I can click sell, choose how many free credits, connect Stripe, and then pick my packages. Just click on new package here and choose if you want one-time or subscription. And then we can create it. Now, when I go to the website, MyFitnessPal is live. Every time I ask a question, it'll lower my number right here. So we have a business. I can click buy credits to subscribe to this app. So MyFitnessPal with AI is now built in roughly a minute.